Well, today's the day. We came to Bone Valley, Florida with some buddies. We all have 250s, and we have two of these, the Storm DLXs. These are the 250s. I'm riding the green one. My stepson is on the blue, and then we have a Polo. This is a Apollo Thunder 250, and that one is a 23, and these two are 25s. So we just got everything adjusted. I got a few accessories on here, like the hand guards. They didn't come included. And so, para allá, para allá. Here we go, guys. I'm still getting used to the soft sand a little bit. So if I fall down and it's recorded, I'll put it on here. I have what I call semi-adventure boots. I need to count what gear I'm on. So that way if I take a hit, well, not a hit, but they will always beat me because they're just like that. This is the roller coaster, they call it. Dale. wrenches are so damn close here. Oh shit. It's quite challenging. I know it looks mellow on the video because I've done it before, but this shit ain't mellow at all. ¿Qué pasó? What the fuck? Well guys, it's been a while since we've been at this park. This is again the Bone Valley Park. Beautiful park, great park for beginners. I've always said it. You might want to change that rear suspension. It bottoms out very quickly. But a lot of people, they are, you know, looking for that size, smaller size I would say, because you can manage it a little bit better. I've had bigger dirt bikes. I had a 300 with the 21-inch tire in the front and the 18-inch tire in the rear. And yes, it was a little bit harder to manage, especially when you are trying to improve your skills. So with this bike, you can do a little bit of everything. You can have fun, you can go fast. It is a 250 cc motor, 223 cc's. And it has about 16 horses, I believe. Yeah, you can do a little bit of everything with this bike. Some of the things that I didn't like, and I still don't like, is the rear suspension. I had to work on that. Let's see what else I don't like, and the fact that yeah, because of the rear suspension, this plate is touching sometimes with the tires, and maybe the brakes, it could have been a little bit more aggressive, especially the front side. But besides that, it is awesome. And yes, you can make it street legal, at least here in my state in Florida, but I know most states are very similar unless you live in California. But yeah, overall guys, I'm super happy with this purchase. I think it's a very cool looking bike as well. They come in different colors. You get the blue, the orange, the green, and what other color? I think it comes in red also. Something that you have to do, like I mentioned on previous videos, is that you have to tune the carb. The carbs are very restricted out of the box. The only thing you can't tune with this one is the needle. But I was able to open the float, and I did a 125 for the main and a 41 pilot with about 2 turns and a half out on the air screw. And yes, there's a little cap also on the air screw that you have to drill out. So yeah, this one has a better, more refined spark, and it helps with cold starts. But yeah, guys, all in all, I'm very happy. So if you guys have any questions, just leave your comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss future videos like this. And I'll see you on my next one.